Hi, I'm Lauren Hanna. I'm the founder of Sonic Yoga, and I'm here to wish Sonic a very happy 20-year anniversary. It's amazing how the energy of Sonic has grown and expanded over the past 20 years. The studio truly has a light of its own that's been bringing people together to study and practice yoga in this humble space in the little corner of New York City. Sonic has touched thousands of people's lives, and through the ripple effect of our teacher training, even more. The people that have walked through these doors have been healed and transformed in unbelievable ways. Sonic is yoga. It's community. It's the commitment of the Sonic staff, the wisdom of the Sonic teachers, the support of the Karmi crew, the devotion of the students, and most of all, it's the love of the community that has kept this studio thriving for the past 20 years. Thank you to everyone who's been a part of this amazing Sonic journey, sending you many blessings and lots of love. Namaste.